Hello! In this video, I want to test your trading skills. I'm gonna show you a chart and I want you to decide if you're going into this trade or no. And if you do, would you buy or sell? Take your time, pause the video if you need, and leave your answer in the comments. Let's go. Take a good look at this chart. Price has been moving down. But before I explain anything, pause the video right now and decide. Would you take the trade? Where would your entry be? And most important, why? Alright, let me also give you 10 seconds. Alright, if you needed more, I hope you paused the video and made your decision. Now let's break it down. Let's see who saw it. What I have here is a W pattern. Look, a W. Or double bottom. 1, 2. I can see the price drops, finds support, bounce, come back and test the support, and goes up. The second rejection often shows the seller are losing control. But the pattern alone is not enough. You always want confirmation. Me personally, I always want 2 confirmations. So, first confirmation is the EMA 50. The price is above the EMA 50. This tells me the momentum is starting to shift. When the price is above EMA, I always looking for buys. If the price is below, I always looking for shorts, sells. And the second confirmation, you can see the price come and retest the base of the W pattern. So here is where my entry would be. Let me show you how would I enter this. I'll enter on the next candle, stop below the base and take profit too. Here we go, and let's see how this will play. Here we go, full TP. So, if you spot the double bottom, the EMA cross, and the retest of the base of the W, congratulations, you passed the step. Be honest, did you actually saw it before I explain it or only after? Comment, I saw it or I miss it, so I know. And also, if you like more videos like this, please subscribe, share, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next episode and next video.